Good morning, guys. Welcome to another regular video. So today's video is going to be changes to Amazon Flex. Are they cracking down on bots or the features they have taken to crack down on bots? So there were a few good Amazon Flex sub same day blocks today. You have to request it. You can't just accept it like before. So I submitted 2 requests for 2 good blocks, and I think my location is far away from that warehouse, so they didn't give it to me or whatever.
Take the ramp to US 85 North.
But I'm on.
You'll use any lane to turn left.
I got an instant offer, Amazon Prime Now, just like $12 plus tips. So I got free money from Amazon Prime Now on Friday at 11 p.m. I was delivering a Grubhub order, and that Prime Now popped up, and I accepted it. So I was doing a dirty double. Got free money from Amazon Flex, huh? So yeah. So now you have to submit a request for a block instead of just accepting it. So I think that is one of the features they're cracking down on bots. All right, easy breezy Amazon Prime Now. There's only one Amazon Prime Now location in Denver Metro. So yeah. All right, so I have back-to-back Amazon Prime Now orders. The second one is free money, I guess. I've been here for like 10 minutes and still no orders. So I got $12 for doing nothing. So shout out to Jeff Bezos for some free money, huh? But anyways, I guess the only update to the Amazon Flex is they kind of cracked down on bots, and yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, thank you for watching all the way to the end, guys. Yeah, if you guys enjoy the content, subscribe, and most importantly, if you want to catch new videos, gotta turn on all notifications, huh? See you guys on the next one. I'm out.